Namaskar friends. Today I am Purvi Goel with you and I am doing one question of PRMO, Pre-Regional Mathematics Olympiad. This question is based on the number system. Let's start with the question. The question says that find all positive integers for which n square plus 96 is a perfect square. So, in this question, we need to find the value of n so that the n square plus 96 is the square of some another number. Suppose 8. Let that number be a. So, it comes like n square plus 96 equals to a square. Suppose we take the value of n equals to 1. So, 1 square plus 96 equals to 97. That is not a perfect square. Now we take n equals to 2. So 2 square plus 96 equals to 100, which is a perfect square of 10. Now we take 3. So 3 square plus 96 equals to 105. That is also not a perfect square. So, like this hit and trial method, it is a very long and time consuming method and we cannot solve this type of question in these methods. So, there is one another method. In the another method, we will write the equation like n square plus 96 equals to a square. If we take n square this side, it will become a square minus n square, which is equal to 96. Okay, now we will factorize these terms as a square minus b square equals to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Similarly, that rule will be followed here. So this becomes a plus n multiplied by a minus n, which is equals to 96. Now we write this equation in this form. A plus n and a minus n. Suppose the value of a plus n is 96. Then the value of a minus n have to be 1 because the product of these two numbers is 96. Now we take a minus n equals to 2. So a plus n will be 48. If a minus n would be 3, then a plus n will be 32. If a minus n will be 4, then a plus n will be 4, 2 is 8 and will be 24. 5 will not be divisible by 96. We take now 6. If we take a minus n equals to 6, then a plus n will be 16. Now 7 would not be divisible by this. Let's take 8. If a minus n equals to 8, then a plus n will be 12. 9 would not be possible. 10 will also not be possible. And 11 as well will not be possible. Now we take again 12. Now a minus n again comes 12 and this again comes 8. So here it is repeat. And we need to find only the positive integer. So we take till here only. Now there are two values. There are two variables a and n. So we need to cancel a in such a way so that we have only n. We subtract these two terms. So this become minus and this become plus. Minus, minus, minus. 9. So this comes as 2n 96 minus 1 comes as 95. 48 minus 2 comes as 46. 32 minus 3 comes as 29. 24 minus 4 comes as 20. 16 minus 6 comes as 10. And 12 minus 8 comes as 4. Now the n equals 2. We will divide each value by 2. 95 divided by 2. This will not be possible as we need to find the integer. Now 46 divided by 2, that's 23. So this is possible. Now we take 29. 29 divided by 2. This is also not possible because this is odd number. Now 20 divided by 2 equals to 10. Then 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. And 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. So for n, we get the following values: 23, 10, 5 and 2. We have got only there are 4 positive integers for which this term is a perfect square. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like it. Thank you.